how to cut and sew step-by-step sleeve with organza.
Okay, to cut your layer sleeve, that's your flace sleeve, the first measurement you need to take is your round elbow. If you want to attach it at your wrist, you need to measure your round wrist. So after getting the measurement, you will do some calculation. Now I'm using 360-degree flay. So that 360-degree flay, the formula to get the radius is your round elbow divided by 6.28. That's for 360 degrees. If I divide 13 by 6.28, it will give me about 2.3. Okay, I'll be adding 1 inch because I want to do some pleating on my sleeve. So I will fold my paper. I will use this paper for the purpose of clarity. I will fold it again, making it 4-fold. In order not to waste your fabric, what I did is that I added the radius I got, that's 2.1 plus the length, so I cut it off. What you will cut now is 10. If you put it on fold, it will be 5. You cut length of 10, the width of 10. So I will start marking my radius. Remember I told you that the radius is 2.1. Added 1, making it 3 inches because I want it to have a pleat. So I will now connect my dotted lines. Please make sure you connect it very well so that it will be equal. So I'm marking my length now. I'm cutting the first step, the one that will be under. So I will connect my dotted line. Make sure you connect it very well, please. This is very important so that if you're folding it, it will not stress you. So I will now cut it off. I will also cut the down part. This one is the first step. My client said that she only wants 2 steps. The one on my thumbnail is about 4 steps. You just use the same process. The second step is 4 by length. That's 4 inches by length. The radius is still 3.1. So I will now mark the length. I will cut it off. See the upper one. Okay, I will just place it together now for you to see. Okay, this is what I have. This is what I have. The next thing I will do now is to cut it on my fabric. Okay, I've already cut it off. See what I have. This is the 6 inches length and 4 inches length. So I will show you how you can work with your organza. The first thing I will do now is to use my bias. Use the matching color of the bias to turn it. Just place it and sew it round. This one is not hard. Just do it the right way. Okay, I'll sew it now. I'll show you. I've sewn it. See what I have. I just secured it. So what I will do now, I will turn it. The bias will be at the back. I will turn it. Just watch carefully what I did. I just sew it first. I will now fold it like this. Fold it carefully and top stitch on it. This bias will not be showing. It will be at the back. Okay, I've sewn it already. Very neat and it's equal. What I will do now is to give it a good press. Okay, I will just use my steam iron to iron it very well. Please be careful when you are ironing it. Okay, after I was done ironing it, the next thing I will do now is to place 2 of them together. See the bigger one? This one is the smaller one. The smaller one will be at the top. So I will just place it together now for you to see what I mean. Okay, the flare is coming out. See what I have here now. So I'll pin two of them together, or just attach it carefully with your office pin. Okay, I'm done pinning it. This is what I have. Is equal and it's aligning. So I will now go to my machine and secure it. I will stitch it down, and I will show you how you can attach it on your basic sleeve. Okay, this is the sleeve I'm working with. I've already sew it. This is the easiest way to do it. You turn it to the right side. Okay, you flip it this way. If you watch closely, you understand what I'm doing. So I will now use my pin to secure it. I told you that I will be pleating. I want it to have to look like a flounce. I will now pleat. That's how I will be pinning and I will pleating. I will be pinning and I will be pleating. I'll just do it round. Okay. Yeah, I'm done pinning it. See what I have? It's coming out already. It's giving it a bouncing effect. Just use my bias to close the rough edges. This is what it looks like when I was done. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.